Hello everyone. From this video lecture we are going to discuss about the population stabilization and birth control. Under the heading of population stabilization we will also discuss about the population explosion and how or what are the bad effect or harmful effect or disadvantage of population explosion for human being, as well as we also discuss about the various uh, control method of population growth, or we can say that population growth control method, and what are the effects occur. We will also discuss of population explosion or population growth over the human population. So let us first discuss about the causes of population explosion or growing population, means what are the regions or causes of growing population. So let us discuss. Here it is given there are two region for the high population growth rate. The first region, it is the increased health facility. Increased health facility enable the people to survive for longer duration and decrease the mortality rate. So it will be responsible for, or it will be a cause for the population growth. The second thing which is the cause of the population growth, it is the better living conditions. So if the condition of living will be better, so that will also enable the peoples to live longer, and it leads to decrease in death rate. So these are the two causes of population growth in India as well as in whole world. So after observing the data which is given here, we can conclude that the how population explosion take place, or what are the rate of population growth. So here it is given that the world population, which was around 2 billion, that is about 200 million in 1900, rocketed to about 6 billion by 2000 and 7.2 billion in 2011. So this data which is observed here, it is stated that within 100 year, means from 1900 to 2000, within the 100 year, the data of population which was 2 billion before 100 year, it becomes 6 billion. That is, this data becomes triple. So within the 100 year, the population becomes triple, world population. So this rate of increase of population, it is very uh, dangerously increased population, which is known as population explosion. And when, in the similar way, if we observe the population of India too, so in India, the population which was approximately 350 million at the time of our independence, that is in 1947, at the time of independence, that is 1947, the population of the India was 350 million, which reached close to billion mark by 2000 and crossed 1.2 billion in May 2011. So in May 2011 it becomes 1.2 billion from 350 million within about 80 years, or we can say that about not about 80 years, it is about 60 years, in which the data or the growth of population take place very rapidly. So here it is given the cause of, another cause of the population explosion. It is the rapid decline in death rate, maternal mortality rate, and infant mortality rate. These are the uh, different regions, along with an increase in the number of people in reproducible age. These are the probable reason for this population explosion or rate of growth of population, which was observed by the given data. Now, though our reproductive child health program, though we could bring down the population growth rate, it was only marginal. Means through the reproductive child health program हम लोग जो है population growth rate को bring down means लो decrease करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, but it is a marginal steps. Means this is not the sufficient to decrease the population growth. So to make extra effort, what are the efforts should be taken to decrease the population growth rate? It is given later, but here it is given. According to the 2011 census report, the population growth rate was less than 2%, that is 20 per thousand year, a rate at which our population could increase rapidly. Such an alarming growth rate could lead to an absolute scarcity of even basic requirement, food, shelter, and clothing, in spite of significant progress made by in those areas. So, if the rate which is given here, that is 2%, the rate is going on the growth of population within 33 years, or in 33 years the population of our country or world population becomes double within 33 Here the population becomes double, and due to this rate of growth of population, there will be various effect. Means if we ask about the so if we will uh, ask for a question, that is the effect of population growth. So here there are certain effect given here. There should be scarcity of even basic requirements. Means due to the overpopulation or population explosion, the basic requirements such as food, shelter and clothing will be less or becomes scarcity of these substances in spite of significant progress made in those area. Means day by day there are a number of researches occur, and that researches leads to the increase in the amount of food, clothing as well as shelter. But the resources of these substances are limited, so there will not uh, after the progress there will not be sufficient amount of these substances or basic requirement will be available in future. So therefore also the government was forced to make up serious measures to check this population growth rate. So this is the reason why we need to check the population growth rate. So what are the things we can adopt or we can use to check the population growth rate? So there are a number of ways through which we can check the or we can control the population growth rate. So the method to control or important step to overcome the problem of population growth is to motivate smaller family by using various contraceptive method. You might have seen advertisement in the media as well as poster bills showing a happy couple with 2 children with the slogan हम दो हमारे दो, we do our two, we do our two. So this is one of the measures which can be helpful to making awareness to the people for a small family. Then the next is many couple, mostly the young urban working once have even adopted an one child norm. One child norm is also one of the important steps to overcome the problem of population growth. Next is stas- uh, statutory raising of marriageable age of the female to 18 years and male to 21 years. This is also one of the methods to uh, or step to taken to reduce the rate of population growth. Then another method, it is the incentive given to the couples with a small family are two of the other measures taken to tackle this problem. So let us describe some of the commonly used contraceptive methods which help to prevent unwanted pregnancy. So here again after this we will discuss about the contraception, but before One thing is also required to uh, reduce the population growth. It is the education, because in developed country we have observed the 100% literacy, and that will be enable the people or people to think about the problems created by the overpopulation or population explosion. So we need to follow the given steps to reduce the population growth. Now the next topic which we need to study about the contraception, which is the birth control method, which is the one of the birth control method. So first of all we need to understood about the features of an ideal contraceptive methods. So an ideal contraceptive method should be, what are the features should be? The first is user friendly, means the contraceptive methods can be used by the people very friendly. The second is easily available, means the people can find out the contraceptive method very easily. This is also one of the uh, ideal feature of contraceptive method. The next is the effectiveness. The contraceptive method should be effective, means the result of contraception should be 100%. The next is reversible with no or least side effect, means if we use the contraceptive method for a particular time, then after using or after changing the thinking or want to make the remove the contraception, so they it becomes it should be reversible, means uh, we can also move from contraception to conception. This is the feature that is reversible, and with no or least side effect, means there should be least side effect or no side effect, means though there should no any harmful effect caused by the contraceptive methods. The next idealness, it should also be no in no way interfere with sexual drive or sexual desire and or sexual act of the user. So these three things also not to be becomes affected by or interfered by the contraceptive methods. And these three things are sexual drive, sexual desire and sexual act. The next thing is a wide range of contraceptive methods available. A wide range of contraceptive methods are presently available, which are or which could be broadly grouped in the following category. So these are the category of contraceptive methods. The first is the natural or traditional method, then barrier method, IUDs method, intrauterine devices, oral contraceptive, injection, implants and surgical methods. So from next video lecture we will discuss about these contraceptives one by one in details, along with the principle behind these contraceptive methods.